You searched how to buy shares of Xaar Plc. Xaar is a UK company that makes industrial inkjet printheads and precision engineering products, listed on the London Stock Exchange under LSE Plc with ticker XAR.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify the account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker XAR.L to find the listing. Select the result that shows Xaar Plc to ensure you have the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart for context. Check the company name and ticker again to confirm this is the correct Xaar Plc listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. There is an eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.